This video will cover the settings menu for the APEX display and controller. To access the settings menu, press and hold the home button for 5 seconds. In this menu, you will press I to save changes and scroll forward. Setting values are changed using the Y or up arrow button to indicate yes or to increase a value, and the in or down arrow button to indicate no or to decrease a value. In most situations, ATMOX does not recommend making a change to the default values. Let's begin from the first screen. We are going to go through each screen. On your display, some of these screens may not appear depending on the settings selected. Press I to scroll forward. The first setting is wood sensor attached, yes or no. The status shows yes or no based on input from setup. If you are adding a wood moisture sensor, the sensor must be installed correctly before making a change. Once installed, change value to Y for yes and press I to confirm and continue. For this example, we are adding a wood moisture sensor. The next setting is wood moisture alert, yes or no. The default setting is yes. This enables the high wood moisture alert reading from the sensor. Press I to confirm or continue. The next setting is wood moisture alert set point. The default setting is to trigger the alert above a reading of 20% wood moisture. You can adjust this value by pressing Y or N. Press I to confirm or continue. The next setting is snow enable yes or no. The status shows yes or no based on input from setup. If you are in a geographic region where snow load or ice dams are a concern, you may choose to turn this mode on. Press I to confirm or continue. The next setting is lights operate yes or no. The status shows yes or no based on the input from setup. If you have lights plugged into the green port, then make sure this is set to Y. If the green port is not being used, then make sure the setting is in. Press I to confirm or continue. The next setting is output detection alerts yes or no. If you have a non-traditional setup, change the status to N. Press I to confirm or continue. After this setting, additional screens related to testing, manual operation, and resets will follow. These are covered in another video. For all settings, press I to save changes and to keep scrolling forward to the end of the menu. As long as changes have been saved by pressing I, you can exit out of this settings menu at any time by pressing the Home button to return to main informational screens. For assistance, visit atmox.com or call 704-248-2858.